What's going on, everybody? As you can tell, this is an old one. It was snapped off whenever I bought this truck. And so I was going to make a makeshift device, but then I saw this one off of Rock Auto. Very simple. Very simple. I'll show you where it went and where the new one's going. Gonna get on my little dolly right here. Love this thing. This was quite the doozy. I gotta get down. There's the bicycles. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go underneath the vehicle. This was a tough one because you have to use a 13 millimeter for this, because the screws, these screws right here, they were on the other side, and how this was assembled, it was stuck on here, and then of course this one goes into there, but it was stuck right there. You can tell where the rust marks were. So this is where the spare tire goes on the bottom, and there's plenty of holes over here. And you can reach your hand around here. A socket set, I tried to socket does not work. You have to use the actual ratchet. And you have to slip it behind there. I took a little ball peen hammer to hammer it out some. And then it's all a matter of just squeezing your hands back there to get these screws out. Really annoying because it goes, you can tell the way this looks right here. It goes through there into there, and it's I use some WD-40 as well. Really annoying, but yeah, I'm gonna put the new one in just a second. And here we have the new one. Put some anti-seize on these screws before screwing them down from the top side. You have to reach over there. It's pretty shallow, but yeah. So I put some anti-seize on these screws before I screwed them down to make sure that, in case for heaven forbid I have to do this again, that's it'll be easy to take it out. I use the old one right now, so this thing, it should work. The whole thing will spin and lift up my spare tire. For a while, the other one, this one was up here, and I didn't have any spare tire holding to the bottom of this, but now I'll do pretty soon. And there we go. I spin this right here like so. We get lift off. I'm gonna keep spinning it. Ta-da! It all works. Feels good. So anyways, yeah. Gonna work on spinning this, but another job complete. I'm happy, and on to the next one.